welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Oats Paniyaram. This is a very delicious recipe with no compromise in the regular taste of the paniyarams. Very easy to make and it helps in weight loss. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add half cup of oats. To this, add half cup of water and mix it well. Let this rest for 10 minutes. Now to a mixer jar, add half cup of rice flour, half cup of grated coconut, the oats mixture and half cup of water. Grind this well. Transfer it to a mixing bowl. To this, add half teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it well. Then adjust the consistency by adding some more water. Now we have the proper consistency. To this, add 1 onion chopped, 2 green chillies chopped, few curry leaves chopped and few coriander leaves chopped. Mix it well and our oats paniyaram batter is now ready. So let's go and make the paniyarams. Heat a cast iron paniyaram pan. To this, add a teaspoon of oil in each segment. When the oil is hot, add 1 scoop of batter in each segment. Let this cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again cook for 2 more minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, both sides are well cooked and crispy, so let's now remove them. Now our delicious oats paniyaram is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a bowl of chutney and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick breakfast recipe. So do try this oats paniyaram recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.